What's going on, guys? In today's video I'm going to show you how to replace the sandpaper on your Grizzly G0458Z open-end drum sander. We've got a new roll of 3-inch 120 grit sandpaper here, and we're about to open this up and take off the old sandpaper, and then we will install the new sandpaper on the drum. So what we're going to do first is we're going to take our 3-inch roll of sandpaper, and we're going to measure out a piece 86 inches long, and we're going to cut it straight across the edge. So we're going to start off with an 86-inch strip of sandpaper, and then we are going to measure 12 inches from the end, and we're going to cut diagonally across the corner. And then on the point that we have on the corner, we will measure 2 inches up on the straight end and cut it at a 90-degree angle. I'll explain all of this as I actually do it. Okay, so now that we've got our sandpaper strip cut to 86 inches long, what we're going to do is we're going to measure from the end 12 inches, which is going to be right here. And we are going to cut this diagonally from this 12-inch mark to this corner. I'm going to make a quick mark diagonally from the corner to the mark we made at 12 inches. And we're going to cut right on that line. You'll want to make sure that you look at the back of your sandpaper and make sure that you get the directional arrows right for this as well. Now that we have our diagonal cut, we are going to measure 2 inches from the corner, and we're going to cut that off at a 90-degree angle to our cut edge, which is going to be something like that right there. Now we're going to do this exact same thing on the other end of the sandpaper, except it's going to be an exact mirror image of this cut. So this is what I meant by doing a mirror image of the other end. It's going to be cut at all the same dimensions, but exactly opposite. So we'll be cutting off the other end, or the other side, basically. So I've already gone ahead and marked it out, and we're just going to go ahead and cut it out now. Now that we have the new sandpaper cut to the proper dimensions, it's time to go ahead and install it on the drum. I've gone ahead and removed the chip deflector plate and the old sandpaper roll off camera. So now I'm going to bring you in a little closer and show you how we put the new sandpaper on the drum. We are going to begin installing the sandpaper on the drum on the left-hand side of the machine if you're facing the front of the machine. I'm standing at the back right now so that I'm not in the way of the camera shot. But this is the left clamp, and we're going to just raise this up a little bit, and we're just going to slide the tab of the sandpaper into our clamp, and then we're going to go ahead and secure that. Now we're going to rotate the drum, and we're just going to make sure that this edge that we cut stays flush with the drum. You don't want any overlaps or any bubbles while you roll the sandpaper around the drum, but you want to make sure it stays tight. And then once you get to this end right here, what you'll want to do is stick your 4mm Allen wrench in this access hole right here and rotate the drum towards you, and it'll catch on this bracket right here, and then you can see how that's spring loaded like that. It will get the proper amount of tension on your sandpaper roll. And then just make sure your clamp is open. You can notch this corner a little bit if you want to. I didn't right here, but you can notch that a little bit if it doesn't fit just right to get a lot better fitment in there. But that's it. That pretty much does it on changing out the sandpaper on the Grizzly G0458Z open-end drum sander. If you guys enjoyed the video, please subscribe to the channel. It really means a lot and helps us out. Also, hit the like button and turn on notifications just to make sure you don't miss any future content. But anyway, if you guys would like to see a video on the on tracking the conveyor belt, let me know. I haven't got the conveyor belt completely tracked on this one yet. I just acquired this machine not too long ago and haven't gone through all the paces on fully setting it up the way that I want it to run. So if you guys want me to film that and make a video out of it, just let me know.